rice is normally off limits. What to do? I've got solution for us keto people. Greetings and hello from my kitchen. My name is Karima and welcome back to Keto Mountain from beautiful Switzerland. I have come up with amazing cauliflower rice recipe, which give you the feeling that you are eating rice, and it tastes amazing. So let's get started. Let's start with our cauliflower. We will need 1 piece of cauliflower. I would wash it and cut it into small pieces. In my food processor, I will shred it. We want to have it crumbled, just like that. I am putting it in my frying pan, and I will keep going until I finish the whole cauliflower. On medium heat, I will cook my cauliflower rice, adding some salt, pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil, and mix everything together. I will stir my rice occasionally until it's done. It will take you about 20 to 30 minutes. I love my rice to have some crunch and flavor, so I am adding here 100 grams of chopped almonds, which is optional. I am toasting the almonds until they are gold brown, and I will add them to my rice. I will encourage you to try this recipe because it's very tasty, even my kids love it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comments down below will help our video. And please like and as well share this recipe with your friends and family. Stay healthy and see you next Thursday with a new recipe.